Now, are you struggling to sharpen your pastel pencils, finding the nibs are breaking all the time, really frustrated with it? I may well have the solution for you. Now, we all have our personal favorites, but in this one, I'm going to show you a solid brass sharpener by M&R. I think it may well be a game changer for you. I'm going to show you what it's like when it's blunt, how to change a blade, and how it sharpens when we've got a brand new blade in there. And I'm going to do a variety of pencils, including Caran d'Ache. So let's jump right in. So use the M&R sharpener. So we've got, it comes in a couple of different formats. We've got this little bullet type one, and we've got a round one, and there's also, you know, a normal sharpener shape. You can get one of those too. So the round one has a normal size hole in there. It's going to be a bit difficult to show you. These are quite small. And a large one. So if you've got Conti pencils, you know they won't fit in any of the smaller size sharpeners, so these are ideal for those. And you can change the blades. There's some spare blades. Now let me show you at the start, because I've had this for years. Okay, it's probably one of the best little handheld sharpeners, but I forget I even got it because I use my Swordfish icon all the time. So let me just show you what happens when the blades are gone. No matter how hard you push in, it basically just doesn't start sharpening at all. Okay, so you know they're really gone then. Now, how much are these to keep running? Well, this big round one, they're all brass. Now, £7.64 in the UK. I've seen it on Amazon. The little bullet one, that's just £5.60. And then the good part is these replacement blades. Let's see if that'll focus. And they are just £5.95 for 10. So that's obviously 59p each. So you won't find a way of sharpening cheaper than that. Now with my Swordfish icon, the thing I love about it so much is I can get replacement blades, but they're about, I think they're about £6 or £7 each. So this is far, far cheaper. So when the blades are blunt, and it's the same blade, both sides, okay, so when you get that pack, they'll go in there. Simple process. Just unscrew the old blade. Simple as that. And then the new pack, just pull that blue bit down until you've got one blade showing, and just tip him out. That's the easiest way. And as you obviously know, you just pop him back in that way. See if you can see it. See, it's a little bit tricky on the camera. If I wasn't doing it on the camera, it'd probably take me just a few seconds to do. Make sure it's in there tight, or it's still not going to sharpen otherwise. And then let's just give that a go and see what it's like. So as you can see, massive difference. Now the angle, obviously you can't change, so it'll only go so sharp, okay? See if you can see that okay. So that's a pit pencil. It's one of the easiest ones to sharpen. Derwent. See how clean is sharpening the actual wood. Obviously you've got a lot of advantage with this. This one's a little bit broken on the end, but that's the actual pencil, bit of a fault in it, of being able to go really slow with it. Now the question everybody asks, what about Caran d'Ache? Because these pencils are an absolute nightmare to sharpen. They are softer lead, and so they break frequently in other sharpeners like crank sharpeners. So you can see that's sharpening quite well also. Now keep in mind, you see, you don't get, with this, you don't get the kind of tip that I get with my icon. That may be a not very good comparison. Let's compare those. It's just due to the angle really that the blades are cut in. That's the icon on the top, but you don't need it long and thin because you're wasting more pastel that way. So these are really good. Keep in mind, as I was going to say, that every sharpener will absolutely go blunt. Absolutely. The nature of the pigment that's in pastels, it just wears them out. Now at 59 pence per blade, the question will be, how long will a blade last? Now, as I said, I haven't used these for a long time, but I know many of my Patreon members swear by these. So I think for the price, it's worth having a go, even if you just keep it for the pencils that you find snap easily, those softer ones, because you can go really slowly with these M&R sharpeners. Okay, so that was just a quick video. Hope it's going to help.